I'm getting closer to finding a place to live. I think I'm giving up on the thought of, I think I'm giving up on the thought of living in the little town that I live in, the little valley that I live in, that I've lived most of my life. Looks like I may be having to move to the city in order to get an apartment. There's not a lot of places to live, and the waiting lists are long. Yeah, they're long. Excuse me, I had a tooth pulled Monday, and it just feels strange. Yeah, Debbie Garcia, the badass baby boomer, 38-year, married to a narcissist alcoholic, domestic violence thrown in, and so we are getting divorced, and I guess I'm moving out, looks like, even though I think he should, and I really would like to keep my place and have him move out. Things haven't been officially decided. I'm the one looking for a place. He isn't looking for a place. He isn't trying. He isn't doing anything. So, I don't know. Don't know how it's going to turn out, but I am keeping my motivation up to make a new life, because he's not going to hit me no more. I mean, he knows that. It's been nice. It's been nice the last few weeks, because he has gotten drunk, and it still scares me, but he's taken off and left and disappeared up in the woods. He wrecked another car, the second one in 3 months. This one not as bad, but he ended up trapped up above, up in the mountains, way up above where we live. And search and rescue was called. Cop showed up at the house here, wanting to know if he was here. Yeah. So he kind of told on himself. So the police know now. They know about him. They know what he's been pulling. They know what he's been doing. He told on himself, drinking and driving. I got home from a domestic violence support group, and he was drinking, and the dispatch lady dropped me off, seen it. And so, yeah, I feel safer because, I have a card. Probably shouldn't have showed that. Anyway, I have his number and the name of a police officer right there that said that he would be here in no time if he pulled any kind of crap to call. Gave me a special number to call, and I will be calling it. And, there will know, it is over. I am done. My husband's like, he keeps saying I'm leaving because I lost the 225 pounds I've lost, and got 2 new knees, did a year of physical therapy, got out of the wheelchair, and he goes, you're just walking away. All these years I've taken care of you. No. You got drunk, beat on me, and said you had the hots for the neighbor. And I found out later, from her, that he had been making advances. Yeah. And she just kept coming around and egging it on, even though he goes, she don't have nothing to do with me. She just kept egging it on because she was using him. She uses him for everything she can use him for. He's still her designated driver when she drinks, so she can avoid getting a DUI. And he's still her maintenance man and everything else. Anyway, that's whatever, I'm over that. Well, I'm not. I'm not over it. I'm lying. Every time I see her, it just ticks me off. And every time he runs over to say hi or do anything, I'm just pisses me off. But I'm over this bullshit of, this marriage is over. It definitely is over. And I'm not staying just because he doesn't want me to. Doesn't want me to leave. He doesn't want to split up. But no, you have feelings for somebody else. He says, you're my best friend. I'm like, yeah, I know. Been your best friend for 38 freaking years. But you're not mine. You are, but you're not. You're like my best friend, but my worst enemy. So I still have to go. I still have to get my safety. And that's what I'm doing, You can't trust a narcissist. You just can't. It's a personality disorder, and they just don't have the empathy and the feelings. And like with my husband, everything's all about him, and he's first. And that's, and with me, he's first. So it's like Debbie just hasn't even been here, just helping everybody else and doing for everybody else. And now they all want to punish me for it. But that's okay. Jeez, I keep kicking my camera. I am going to be fine. Everything that is happening for my good. It's to teach me lessons. It's to make me stronger. It's to make my life finally the life that I want for me. And I am totally changing my life, and I'm getting, another thing too, I want to show you. Getting my driver's license. I got my birth certificate from Virginia sent to me, and I'm going to be taking the test next week. So I have my star card to fly to Hawaii because my friend is taking me on a divorce trip. It's a reward. Yeah, something like that. Anyway, I'm excited as hell because I've barely been out of Idaho, and I sure as heck have never got to go to Hawaii. So my husband's always been a logger, and I've been disabled and just working side hustles and been on disability for years. And yeah, a lot of things like that, but all that's changing. Well, I'm getting on Medicare. Oh, I got to get that signed up. Oh, there's so many things I'm trying to do. And with a busted tailbone, being in so much pain, and then getting a tooth pulled, and then getting sick. Last weekend was something else, and then the weekend before with my husband going missing, and the drinking. But you know what? I made it through all of it, and I made it through all of it pretty dang good. I mean, I'm like, when I was walking home from the park, feeling like somebody had taken an axe and split me up the back end, and that I was walking home with that axe still lodged in there, I was thinking, okay, I was in a lot of pain, sweating it, but I had my headphones on, so I just was blasting the music, and I was almost like speed walking, because I thought I better get home, because I just wasn't sure if I was going to make it. But I did. But I was thinking, I was about halfway home, and I thought, you are so tough, lady. You are so tough. I mean, look what you just did to yourself. You did it to yourself, but you're walking home. You're not laying over there just on that slide, just waiting for someone to come save you. Because I knew nobody would come save me, because I have to save myself. We all do. Now we can have a community, and we can have encouragement, and we can have cheerleaders, and we can have lovely, lovely people that help us. But the number one person that's going to help us, the only person that can help you get to where you really want, is you. Swear to God, it's you. I know it. I kept waiting for someone to save me. Nobody saved me. Nobody saved me. And I just kept thinking, no, somebody's going to save me from this situation, or something's going to happen. There's going to be a miracle. Well, that miracle was that I finally turned a corner. God blessed me. Gave me the drive to start losing weight. Found me my water aerobics community. Got me down enough to where then I was able to get the gastric bypass, and that worked to get me my new knees, and that got me way down my new knees and getting me to the gym and stuff, and then I was getting Manjaro finally, 14 months on Manjaro now, which has made all the difference for me. Manjaro has. It's the one that worked for me, because I, of course, am never a super responder on anything. I'm slow-mo. I try not to be, but that's just me. Yeah, sometimes I'm slow-mo. Except when I'm talking, boy, I can talk way too much, way too fast. And my husband's just like, I can't keep up. So, anyway, yeah, there's so many changes happening, and I'm going to document them all. My head, my concussion from the domestic violence incident in April is getting a little bit better. I mean, I felt like dancing earlier. I had the headphones on. I was moving slowly because of the tailbone. Anyway, and just because I can't shake my head. I mean, I got a twitch anyway that I'm shaking and about knocking myself out half the time anyway. But I'm on the road to recovery. I'm a tough old broad, and I'll tell you what, I got so many plans, like I said, and so many things coming up. I'm studying everything I can study with Arlen's All Access, the group I'm an affiliate for. I'm an affiliate all Arlen. I am all Arlen Hamilton, the venture capitalist, fantastic YouTube membership teacher, just a fascinating woman that is sharing everything in Arlen's All Access, the group I belong to, the group I'm an affiliate for. And there'll be a link down below if you're interested in checking it out, because she teaches you everything about building your YouTube. She teaches you everything about building a membership on school, or you could do it anywhere, but school's what she recommends. And yeah, she teaches you just everything about building your business, your self-esteem, your mindset. And yeah, it's been an amazing opportunity with everything that has happened to me. Just in this last year, thank God I found Arlen's All Access, because it literally has saved my life. I swear to God. There's been some times over this last year that I've just been like, huh, why even bother anymore? But no, I had my daughter, first of all. She will always be my little golden light that keeps me going. But then I had Arlen's All Access to keep working and keep helping me just be motivated. And it's just a wonderful group of just the most amazing people. If you're interested, check it out. Links down below. She's got Arlen's All Access, which is $600 for the year. Or you can pay $100 a month well, whatever. You can pay $100 a month. She kind of likes you to sign on for the year. And, or she has a group called Your First 5K. And that one's only like $50 a year, or $10 a month. And you get in on the ground floor. You learn a lot of her stuff that she's teaching. I mean, she teaches so much in there. It's a great start. But, of course, I love Arlen's All Access because there's just so many amazing people. Yeah, the people. It's an amazing group. I mean, Arlen gives you so much more in there than anything else. It's her baby. And she's very generous in there with us, and kind and giving, and showing us everything she can show us how to make money. I'm in her third book. You can get it if you join Arlen's All Access. You get her third book for free. The audio version. There's no physical versions available right now. But, yeah. It's an amazing book, too. And Debbie Garcia is in it. Okay. I'm going to let you guys go. I love you. If you want to subscribe, that would be great. I have so much more that I'm going to be sharing. I have loose skin surgery coming up. I have Hawaii coming up. I have divorce coming up. I have moving coming up. I have a new car. Well, my husband's working on this car. It's a PT Cruiser. And, it's not great, but it's a 2007. They got to do a lot of work on it. But it's a convertible. And I was in there cleaning it the other day, and it's like, oh, I like this. I sat in it for like 3 hours. I didn't even want to get out. I wanted it to drive, but tires, brakes, all kinds of stuff needs fixed. But I'm going to have a new car, and a PT Cruiser, and I'm just, well, it's something. Get my driver's license, get a car, that's more freedom for me. Get myself to the gym, get myself to water aerobics, get myself to everything. get myself to my new home. Thank you guys.